Pipeline arrangement on board oil tanker ship play a very critical role in successful loading and discharging operation. This is how. The pipes leading from the cargo tanks to the cargo pumps are known as bottom lines, as you can see. The pipes from the pump room up to the deck are called risers, as you can see. The pipes running on deck are called deck lines, as you can see. From the deck to the tanks, these pipes are referred to as drop lines. Also, there is crude oil washing, which is referred to as cow lines on deck, used for cleaning tanks to prevent contamination. Cow lines normally branch out from the discharge lines in the pump room and then to different tanks on deck. There is also a small diameter line called MAPO line. It's used to discharge the last part of the cargo from the ship. Pipelines on oil tankers are designed to serve different purposes as per the requirement. For instance, product tanker wey dey carry different types of oil such as AGO, PMS, ATK, DPK, LPFO and others go get more pipes to accommodate all the products wey I don mention so. While the crude oil tanker, based on say na only one raw cargo, go get straightforward pipeline and simple arrangement. The valves used on pipeline system can either be manually, hydraulically or pneumatically operated, controlling the flow of oil and preventing contamination between grades of cargoes. In fact, the entire piping arrangement is designed to facilitate efficient loading, discharging and cleaning up operation on oil tanker ships. My tanker men dem, one love.